Welcome back to Reality Served Hot, where the tea is always served hot and the drama never sleeps. Now, in this episode, kuningi owenzekile, so let's just dive in and we'll discuss it later.
Ave ngimangaza ukuthola ukuthi namhlanje yonke into sekumacele ohamba phambili and kuningi and angicabanga sekuze kwaphendeka kwaba yinzondo ebantwini umacele nje ngingazondwa left and right akusasho lutho anymore.
Yabona njengoba namhlanje umacele ethola ukuthi uMusa ubesebenzisa igama lakhe kuyo yonke into ayenzayo. Angikholwa ukuthi umacele ngizothi ufundile ukuthi abone ukuthi umyeni wakhe umuntu onjani.
Manje ngidinwe ngiubekezelile mina udoti abantu besho noma yini ngami. Angiboni ukuthi ngisazokwazi anymore.
Kwamndabe noSisinondo niyabona ukuthi ngangeke ngaphuka esibhedlela. Because yazi lokukhuluma lokho kuningi kodwa ke asichaze umbono. Ngicabanga ukuthi ngangomnini ngakhuluma nogogo wami ukuthi ngizoba nesithembu ebantwini engihlangane nabo.
Ngesikhathi engishela uMthombeni sasibancane ngangimncane kakhulu. So yayingekho into yayithi mhlambe soshadana yabona impilo iqala ukushintsha uma ngabe sengikhulelwe umpumelelo. Ngaleso sikhathi ke ila athola khona intombi. That was 2000. Jola no Macele. So indaba yesithembu iqale ngo-2000. Angiyazi iqale nini.
Yazi ukugula kwami kwenziwe ukuthi abantu ba-refuse ukuthi ngithathe omunye umuntu.
Awuzengayi.
No, izamaphela ngithi
Hayi akasaguliswa ngimina
Ukuthi uguliswe ubani nani into engizwa nami la etafuleni ngalesa sikhathi ngangingekho ngisoshabeni.
So sesibonile, a lot was said, but eyami into ethi uMseleku must just stop this. Makayeke lento. I genuinely feel like overall retreat is damaging to umndeni. It's not just damaging isithembu sakhe. I feel like this is information that could be damaging in the future towards his kids when they grow up and look at this. Yes, we know Pumelele Abu and the rest of the older kids are seeing this, they're watching this. We've also seen Ingane Mangwabe Ndala crying because her mom was leaving her dad. However, this retreat is really just damaging towards umndeni because the maths of everything is always overlapping. Like ukujola kwakhe noma yini Pumelelo being conceived when Macele entered. And if we go back to La Manyama seasons where he explained ukuthi he had initially wanted to marry Umayeni, but due to the fact that her family actually was not supportive of his tembu, he then had to go with Macele. So it's very confusing when stories now change as time goes or as the seasons grow. I feel like Musa must just sit down namanye amadoda who are in healthy, productive, polygamous marriages and see how they are doing things. Because what he's doing right now, I feel like it's just damaging to umndeni wakhe holistically and not just the wives. Kuningi, kusazoba kuningi. We're seeing uMacele touch on the IVF process kama Khumalo. I feel like it's just gonna get messy and messy. And I don't want you to miss out because nami ngizobe ngibukile. Now guys, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe because this train is only getting hotter.